Oh yes. Obaba mnechaya chom 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 chom. Oh yes, there is. Oh yes, there is. All right, we can settle down. We can settle down. Egameni lika Kristu Jesu. Hallelujah. Sizonikeza our beautiful daughter. Ezokwenza i-item yakhe. Ngicela nje simshayele izandla just to give her confidence. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Bosisi, come on. Woo, 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 woo. Oh yes, oh yes. Sinikeza nje i-confidence. Hallelujah.
Today I'm here to stand on behalf of Sunday School. On this Father's Day, I honor not just men who have children, but those fathers who protected mental uplift and love. To those fathers and father figures, thank you for showing us that fatherhood, when embraced with heart and conviction, is one of life's greatest calling. Happy Father's Day. Happy to all of the people.
Simshayele izandla abantu abadala, simshayele izandla. Bantamasha bathe happy youth month, happy youth month, happy youth month. Bahlanganise nabo baba, yes. Oh hallelujah.